फिर
कुछ टेस्टिंग करनी है। तेरा ये वीडियो कितनी देर के लिए आ रहा है?
अभी स्टार्ट कर लो।
तो मैं तो बीच में कहूँगा एक लिंक ओपन करके टेस्ट कर लेगी। 5 मिनट कंप्लीट।
इसको कंप्लीट कर लो क्या?
पहले इसको कंप्लीट कर लें।
ठीक। नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटे। I, Jevin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic industry and organization, pharmacy as a career. So this topic belongs to the pharmaceutics theory for the B Pharm first semester. Now we come to the what is the main object of this topic. The pharmaceutical field offers a wealth of job and career opportunity for talented young graduates with a sound background in life sciences and various other academic disciplines. Because these employment options are often insufficiently known to young academics, the aim of this chapter is to give them a better idea about the many job opportunities and presents the entire drug life cycle. Now we come to the what is the introduction. So the field of drug discovery, development and commercialization offers a wealth of job and career opportunities for talented young graduates with a sound background in life science or other academic discipline and a genuine interest and motivation to start a professional career in the pharmaceutical sector. The drug life cycle is usually subdivided into discovery, research, development, and commercialization and spans the whole uh, trajectory from idea to patients, from bench to bench market withdrawal. The drug life cycle is very important for this topic. The life cycle of drug involve essentially three parts: drug discovery and design, research, and drug development and drug commercialization. They are largely consecutive in nature, but some activities are carried out in parallel. Drug research is primarily driven by a unmet medical need, that is a therapeutic area in need of a better drug. Drugs are either discovered in nature or in existing chemical libraries of either semi-synthesized or designed to be in vivo in laboratories. Now we come to the drug life cycle. Drug life cycle is based on the research, development, and commercialization. Drug discovery, non-clinical trial, and market access, marketing, and sales are depend upon these parameters of this. The pharmaceutical sector, the biopharmaceutical industry is probably the biggest employer in the sector worldwide. Uh, uh, it is already a word in itself, as it is an umbrella term with its main representative being big pharma companies active throughout the whole value chain of the drug life cycle. They research, develop, manufacture, and market innovative medicine, either the more classic small molecules or the more recently introduced large biopharmaceuticals such as therapeutic proteins and monoclonal antibodies produced by living organisms or cells. Job opportunities throughout the drug life cycle. In this section, we walk through the drug life cycle and focus on job opportunities that are specified to the different parts of the cycle, support function, and that are important over the entire cycle are presented. Discovery research, non-clinical development, clinical development, and commercialization. These activities in the pharma sector are not only important in a specific part of the drug life cycle, but cover the entire business and value chain. Uh, they, they, they too offer many job opportunities. First one is regulatory science affairs, quality management, scientific medical writer, training and development, and management. So the career perspective at entry, young professionals are often employed as a junior or assistant preceding their functional job title, example junior or assistant project manager. After a year or two, these prefix can be dropped, and after an additional number of years of experience in the same job, the prefix can change the senior. Example, senior project manager, initial on the job training and work experience can be gained during the traineeship, internship, job work, shadowing, and secondments and temperature jobs, or all paid or non paid. Training opportunities, given the high number of job and career opportunities described above, the main challenge for young students and graduates is to understand which are their preferred job and how to get them. A useful approach is to attain all possible orientation events such as career day, organized nowadays by most universities, in which it is possible to listen to experts coming from different companies. So some of the biggest pharmaceutical companies, including Abbott, AbbVie, Amgen, and all are etc. So effective job application, success job application require three things: having good motivation, having requirement technical skill set, and being able to illustrate it or interpersonal skills. So the conclusion, a successful launch of career in the pharmaceutical sector depend on overall knowledge of this sector and on a smart strategy for job application. Beside these two key elements, many companies recruit via their traineeship programs. As discussed, one should realize that also in this sector, the vast majority of jobs are never advertised. For this reason, training and networking is indeed a for more effective job seeking strategy than screening magazines and website for advertisements. With this detail, hope to have opened the door and lowered the threshold to exciting world to opportunity. So this is the complete session. This session is powered by the Digital Person 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.